Hello guys, good morning and happy Wednesday. Actually, I think it's the afternoon now. I think it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Today is Wednesday and I'm back at home in Guelph. I just woke up this morning, did a little workout. I look like an egg right now. I didn't want to shower my hair just in case I wanted to do one more run later on in the evening. So I just slicked it back. My curtain bangs are back. I think it looks funny. I like never put my hair up in a ponytail or slick it back like this. But anyways, that's the hairstyle today. Just worked out this morning and I wanted to give you guys an update on my eyebrows because it's been exactly 1 week since I got them done. If you guys can tell, they are now starting to peel. I'm not wearing any makeup either, so I apologize for, actually no, I don't apologize for my blemishes. I do have some blemishes on my face right now. Honestly, it's been 1 week since I got my brows done today, and usually they peel a lot within the first like 3 or 4 days, and it's been a week and they're just starting to scab, so maybe that means that they will last longer because it's taking forever for them to peel off. But I don't know, they still look a little dark, but I'm hoping that they will look good by the weekend again. This week, I'm kind of hanging around the house for a bit. I started doing my massive closet clean out yesterday, and I decided to set up a profile on Vinted. I've heard that it's really good for selling used clothing. I'm probably gonna donate most of it, but if there's any like really nice pieces that I find that I think like might still be worth something, then I might post something on Vinted, so I'll let you guys know if I end up setting that up. That's kind of my plan for today. I have some really exciting news that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Probably not this vlog, but the next vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit just to make sure that I have everything planned, but it's gonna be pretty exciting. Some of you guys might be able to guess what it is, but I will definitely tell you guys within the next week. Guys, my cat is literally glaring at us. Tiger, what's wrong, baby? Oh my goodness. Okay. I also want to say, I watched this documentary with Char on the weekend, Tinder Swindler, which like was, I don't know, I thought it was super entertaining, and I feel so bad for any of the women that got swindled by that guy. I'm not gonna ruin it for you guys, but if you guys watch that, it's just like scam artist. Crazy how he was able to scam so much money from other people. Yeah, I feel so bad for those women that happened to. Crazy documentary, so I would recommend watching that. If you're on Tinder, make sure you're safe and not getting swindled. And Charlie also watched this documentary called The Minimalist. When I was younger, like always thought that I wanted to kind of be like on two opposite spectrums. So I like wanted to have like nice things that I really cared about. Then I feel like there's an extreme of being like a minimalist where you like don't care about lots of different stuff. You just care about having the basic necessities that you need. And I guess like I'm trying to find my way through this path because I always thought it's like you have to be one or the other. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say, but I'm like, I feel like you don't have to be on the extreme of either of those spectrums, but you can like try and come and meet in the middle. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Like I don't need an abundance of clothing, and I feel like I definitely have a lot right now, which is why I'm trying to cut down on that kind of stuff and spend money on experiences. Hint for what might be happening. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go and start moving some stuff.
going to show you guys the closet right now and kind of go over what my game plan is. Yeah, up here I have my purses. I only have a couple of them, so I don't really have anything to do with this. Maybe I'll try and get a nicer purse display or do these a bit nicer, but I just have my bags up here. I have another mirror, and I have 2 sets of these like hooks. I believe 16 hooks on the top and then 16 on the bottom. So I just put hoodies, bags, like lots of extra stuff in here. I definitely could probably throw out half of these sweaters, but they're like high school sweaters and high school sweaters and sweaters from when I did cheer, so I feel like I have like an emotional attachment to them, which is why I haven't tossed them yet, but definitely need to go through and try and take out some of the sweaters here. And then in these drawers, so this tape here is because I broke this drawer. I actually bought this dresser off of Kijiji like 5 years ago for $100. It's an IKEA Hems one, and it has done me really well. But basically in here I have like bras and underwear. In this drawer I have like all of my like summery cute party tops or like any matching sets. I already threw out like a bin of these, but I feel like I still have a bunch of shirts and sets, so I could definitely get rid of some more. And then these 2 drawers are just kind of mix and match like lounge sets, like big comfy shirts, like plaids, also like not super organized right now. There's a couple of like skirts in here, so that's what's in this one right now. This drawer again is full of like odd sweaters, some like Laurier sweaters, like other fuzzy sweaters that I don't really wear as much, which is why they are in here. Down here I have again like miscellaneous items. I have random shorts for working out. These 2 drawers probably need the most because there's not really any strategy with organizing them. I just kind of throw my odd stuff here. Hanging here, I have a lot of my work clothing from when I was going into the office every day. For the bank, I have a lot of like my business stuff here, and then I have lots of my dresses hanging. I'm not going to throw out any work clothing because you never know. I feel like I could still have to dress up business casual for like other events in my life, so I'm keeping like all my dress shirts and like dresses and dress pants. At the end here, I have lots of like my fun pants and shorts. I love these hangers. Let me see if I can take this out. These hangers are so handy. I got them from Winners, and you can hang like 4 pairs of pants or shorts on them, and they just look so nice, so you can see which pair is which. Yeah, I have like those for hanging pants and clothes, and like some of these hangers are crazy from me being in here. I also would love to have all of the same hangers one day. These are my favorite. Like these fabric hangers are my favorite because they stop things from falling, but I kind of have a mix and match of both right now, so that'll be something later on to worry about. I have a bunch of sweaters. Like usually the sweaters I wear the most. This basket in the corner again is full of just random stuff that I have a hard time parting with for some reason, but I never wear. The rule of thumb when cleaning my closet is going to be if I haven't worn it in the last year and a half, it's time to say goodbye. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. And then here I have like a bunch of pants. I wear these pants a lot, so they're just organized so I can find them. This basket is also full of like blanket scarves and hats. I worked at Garage all throughout high school, guys, so I used to get blanket scarves for like $5 or for free. They were like really trendy back then, and now I have like 4 or 5 of them, and I haven't got rid of them just in case they come back in style. I don't think they will, but I don't know. They don't take up a lot of room, so I'm probably gonna hold on to those. This basket that had stuff from like when I was still living in Waterloo in it that I just kind of threw random stuff into, so I need to go through that and find a home in there. That is my current closet clothing situation. My goal is gonna be throughout the next week to do like 1 drawer a day. Like just go through, decide if I wear it or if I don't wear it, and then put it aside and then just organize that drawer. So I'll definitely vlog it for you guys when I do my drawer a day, and we can kind of like go through and see. Like I said, guys, most of the stuff I'm going to donate it unless it's something that's like a brand new and like in really good condition. In that case, I might like list it on my like my Vinted or my Poshmark. Chances are I will probably donate it. So if there's anything that you guys see, I'll keep it in my my room. Like if I say I'm gonna throw this out and anyone sees it that day and says, oh, maybe you like that, let me know. Depending on where you live, I feel like most of you guys watching are from the US or from Canada. Let me know and I'll see if I can ship it to you. Some of the stuff I'm getting rid of too, it's not even because it's like in a bad shape. It's just like not my style anymore. So we are minimalizing this week and going through that. So that is everything for today's vlog. I just wanted to keep you guys updated with my closet, what it looks like right now. I will pick this vlog back up tomorrow when we start to go through some things. Stay tuned for this week when I have my announcement or like my surprise that I'm sharing with you guys. I really want to tell you guys right now, but I just want to wait until I hash out all the details and everything before I tell you guys. So stay tuned because I will tell you this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe. I know there's some new people here since getting back from Florida and everything. So thank you so much for subscribing and joining our small family. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Love you. Bye.